Welcome to Smart Story Studio, where timeless truths come alive through powerful scripture stories filled with lessons, emotions, and transformation. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss any of our weekly uploads. Now, let's dive in. In the vast emptiness before creation, only Allah existed in eternal majesty, beyond time, space, and matter. The cosmic canvas was blank, awaiting his divine touch. The wisdom of Allah resided in quietude, and then his might was shown in creation, a hidden treasure desiring to be manifest, as described in Hadith Qudsi. I was a hidden treasure, and I loved to be known, so I created creation. Tabarani. From the eternal decree, the divine plan was etched, the test of life, the gift of free will, the sending of prophets to guide, and the destined return to him. The creation began with the pen, meticulously inscribing all that was ordained on the tablet, Allah al-Mahfuz, holding the story of existence from beginning to end. Human life unfolds in Allah's grand design, a tapestry woven with purpose and meaning. As creations of this divine plan, nothing is random. Each soul has its place and testimony, reflecting his wisdom and benevolence. Tomorrow, greet the morning with a prayer. O Allah, guide me to fulfill the reason I was created. Reflect on the essence of Surah Ad-Dariyat 51:56, and I did not create jinn and mankind except to worship me. From this, Allah al-Mahfuz, the preserved tablet, was created. Every soul, every heartbeat, every breath,
Written, planned,
measured. Nothing is random. You were not an accident. You are a line in that divine script, a soul with purpose, a being with responsibility. This is the beginning of your story, but it's not about you alone. It's about the test you were designed to face. Open book, and I did not create jinn and mankind except to worship me. Surah Ad-Dariyat 51:56. Worship, not just through prayer, but through every intention, every act of kindness, every choice made in obedience. Moral lesson: Allah is not only the creator, he is the planner. And you are part of his eternal script. You were made on purpose, for a purpose. When you lose your way, return to this truth. Allah chose to create you. You matter. Actionable plans. 1. Begin your day with intention. Say, O Allah, guide me to fulfill the purpose I was created for. 2. Reflect on your worship. Are you living life with remembrance of Allah? Start by making your daily actions acts of ibadah, intentional worship. 3. Read Surah Ad-Dariyat 51:56-58 today. Deeply reflect on your reason for existence. 4. Start journaling your purpose journey. What talents, roles, or paths can lead you closer to Allah? 5. Share this video with 3 friends and discuss. What do you think your divine role is? Remember, Allah is the creator of purpose, and you are an integral part of his plan. Stay tuned for the next episode. If Allah planned all of creation, what was the very first thing he physically created? What was the first being, the first light, the first soul? In the next episode, we witness the first breath, the first man, the first test.
don't miss.
Right Arrow Episode 2, The Creation of Adam, A.S. Cue closing line with quiet thunder in the background. From the pen to the plan, now comes the creation. What a journey through faith, failure, and God's unfailing love. If this story moved you or taught you something powerful, drop a comment below and tell us what stood out the most. And don't keep this truth to yourself. Share this video with a friend who needs some light and encouragement today. Remember, here at Smart Story Studio, we tell stories that inspire, teach, and transform lives. Subscribe now for more emotional, dramatic, and truth-filled scripture stories that shape your mind and spirit. Until next time, stay inspired, stay strong, and stay rooted in the Word.